Hey there, elevate your home bartending game with this Mixology and Craft Cocktail Shaker set featuring a sleek bamboo stand. This professional 10-piece bartender kit includes everything you need, like a 24-ounce shaker, dual-volume jigger, muddler, hawthorn strainer, bar spoon, liquor pourers, corkscrew, and ice tongs. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, these tools are durable, easy to clean, and provide a leak-proof seal for perfect shakes. The elegant bamboo stand keeps your bar area organized with precision-cut slots for each piece, adding a stylish touch to your countertop. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned mixologist, the 15 and 30 milliliter jigger ensures precise measurements every time. This set combines natural wood warmth with sleek steel for a sophisticated look that complements any home bar. It's the perfect gift for housewarmings, weddings, or special occasions to impress friends and family. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.